Welcome, in front of me I have LENOVO Tab P11, and today I will show you how you can disable quick launch of your camera. I'm talking about this option when you quickly double press power key. So you have to go for your settings. Oh, it doesn't back to the mode. Okay, right now it's here. And we have to tap on the search pool and tap jump. And take a look, there we get the jump to the camera. Tap on it. And we have to tap on the switcher to turn it off. And right now, when we make the same, as you can see right now, it's not activated. So, if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.